Ghana State, like you said, needs the peace, needs the unity, in spite of its diversity. And there are certain things that happens when a monarch or chieftain happens to be in a capital city. Everybody from the outskirts would like to come, and it becomes an invasion of its culture. So right now you have our culture as the Ghana people very diluted. And for some of us, it's a great disturbance. It's something that we are looking to correct, because we have to change this narrative. The Ghana language is suddenly almost disappearing, and we need partners to be able to maintain this heritage, our culture, our tradition, our rhythm, our dance. We need security to be able to keep all these traditions in place. I'm sure if you might have been on Facebook or any of the social media platforms, you saw our Homowo Festival. We're trying to bring the peace as well as keep the tradition and culture of the Ghana people. We brought in Dr. Lack, who is from Israel, because we are trying through the Naiwe family and other families in the Ghana state to trace our origin from Israel and right to where we are now, first at Ayawaso and then where we are presently. And all this makes a synergy of very important executive things that would form policy and decisions for our future. We are very grateful that you have come. My friend who spoke, the Colombian, Dr. Victor. Yes, and then the filmmakers. Bernd. Yes. We have started a discussion on how the Abdullah script would be able to be actualized, and how the subject of slavery, what it means then and what it means now. And we have to look at this fact, because for us it's important that all this goes to come to the point where we have to maintain our heritage. We have to let people know who we are as the Ghana people. We have to let people know where our origin is from.